Shin Ramyun gets a bold new twist with this spicy fried rice. The rich soup powder blends perfectly with rice and egg for deep savory heat. Crushed noodles add aroma and a satisfying crunch. A simple idea that transforms instant ramen into something special. Top it with cheese or kimchi for that Korean street food vibe. Let's make this together and taste the spicy comfort in every bite.